Hi there, good morning everybody, and welcome to a day in the life of Sharp Solutions Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. So this is our first job of the day today. It's a bungalow consisting of 6 areas. As you can see, the carpets are quite soiled and there's quite a few stains. Here we've got quite bad water stains. There is quite a few of these in the lounge that we'll have to treat. And then you've also got these traffic lanes here. Again, in this room, you can see on the camera that the carpet actually needs re-stretching. That's the first thing that we'll be attending to today. Again, here in this third room, general soiling and a few stains that need attending to. And the chemistry that we'll be using on these loop piled polypropylene carpets today is going to be Power Force. Power Force is part of the Pure Force products. It's excellent to use on polypropylene carpets. And as you can see, the carpet in this doorway here is going to need re-stretching as well. And it is quite unusual to find carpet these days in bathrooms. I got the black light out on this one, and round the toilet and the bidet there was quite a few urine stains. So that was pre-treated with urine remover. And after the walk round pre-inspection was done, we cracked out the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaning on professional carpet cleaning is vitally important. It can remove up to 80% of dry soiling. And here I am mixing up the pre-spray. I always like to put the lance inside the canister before pouring the boiling water. It releases any dried up powder in the eye of the lance. And the best way I find for clearing watermarks is by giving a good dose of pre-spray to the area. Agitating the carpets will suspend the soil, lifting it to the top of the pile ready to be extracted. All these processes play a major part in how clean the carpet's going to turn out. And these were coffee or tea stains in the second lounge. Again, we treated them with coffee and tea remover. And there was also a few gloss paint stains in the second lounge as well. And the oil over here in the doorway was treated with a gel spotter. And here's a quick picture of the lounge halfway through cleaning. We really did make light work of these water stains today. And this really does show that using the correct processes prior to extracting can get you excellent results. And to finish off today, we gave a quick walk round inspecting every area before giving a spray of deodorizer, cherry scent to a fresh carpet. So if you would like the Sharp Solution treatment, don't hesitate and give us a call today, 07474 684 953.